What's good, YouTube? Trade day. What's going on? I'm a little late because I had a little meeting, but it's still trade day. I still posted my live trade on my YouTube short. So if y'all didn't see that, check that out. But this is the trade recap. Show y'all what was going on in my thought process today. Let's do a little replay action. Where we at? Yeah, cool. Came to the charts. Um, Yeah, I do nothing different, man. I do nothing different at all. I do the same thing every day. Um, yeah, I don't make trading complicated, dude. I make trading super simple, man. Listen, simple is better, less is more. You don't need to know every single thing about trading to make a living and to make decent money or to pass prop firms. Like I'm telling you, simple is better, less is more. The only thing I do on the higher time frame, the daily, 4 hour. One thing I do, I look for, all right, is structure being broken? Is the current candle breaking a high or breaking a low? If it is, cool. Where's it heading to? And if everybody you got down here or the nearest low, right? The same thing on the 4 hour. Is price breaking structure? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Where are we heading? Price broke this structure right here. So we're probably within this little gap, probably finna head for these lows right here. And then two. Just because I have a bias doesn't mean I'm always gonna follow it. Remember, I trade the Judas swing strategy. I read and react to price. I don't always have to trade with the trend. I read and react to what price is doing. I have a game plan, which you'll see, and I'll explain what I do. What time is it? 6. All right. So anyway, so I see we have bearish order flow, which that's fine. I'll go on the 15 minute. All right. We've been bearish since yesterday. Bearish, bearish, bearish. Uh, throw the thing on. All right. Price has been dropping. London session pre New York. It broke London lows. It broke Asia lows. It broke last week's midnight open right here. It broke last week's previous low. And then, yeah, that's where we're at with it. So we broke all the structure to the downside. I was thinking price needs to pull back some. As you know, stuff just doesn't go down forever. Stuff doesn't just go up forever. Like, you know what I mean? Like, we gotta use our common sense. Like, stuff has to pull back. So I think on the let me see, let me fast forward. So cool. Yeah, so I got the 9:30 candle, which was huge. It broke 8:30 lows. It broke Friday's Asia low. Like it just tanked. We've been tanking for a long time. I said that I think we need to pull back some. This is a huge candle. This shit needs to get filled or inversed. So I waited. I said, all right, well, if we come back up and react to 8:30 or close above 8:30, I'm gonna get in for a buy. Also, too, I don't trade as soon as 9:30 is open. I trade 15 minutes later. I like to trade around 10 a.m. The silver bullet hour, but 9:45 I will take a trade. So I again bearish market, but I read and react. So we've been low for a minute, right? Price started to come up some. All right. I was waiting to see what price did around 8:30. It broke through, closed above. Cool. I'm getting in for a buy immediately. So boom, stop loss right here. Now my rule is if we are taking a trade that's counter trend, I'm only doing a one to one. I'm only doing a one to one. We are counter trend. I'm doing a one to one, which our bias for this morning or the market direction was bearish order flow, but we're getting in a bullish buy. So 1 to 1, get out, do whatever, get off the computer, do whatever, live to see another day. I don't care if it ran until 1 to 20. I didn't know it was going to do that. I preserved my capital and lived to see the other day. All right. So we're tagged in on this trade. We're tagged in, right? Dicks around for a little bit, dicks around for a little bit. Boom, 1 to 1 hit right there. Out of the trade. Go home, do whatever, go outside, touch grass. And here it is right here. March 19th. A little 1 to 1 banger. Also, I will throw on my live executions. But let's get this out of the way. Exit replay mode. Well, what the hell? Yep, and there you go. I did what I said I was going to do. I got in right here and got out right there. I think like a little 26 point 1 to 1, which is cool. And yeah, I mean, it came in, filled in this gap, dropped. So in order for me to get in with the trend, right, we have bearish order flow. Well, now we're making bullish order flow, but overall the market's bearish. I wait for price to come up, hit my key levels, and then reject and give me my entry. Break a structure, fair value gap, and then I get in. Key level being any of these lines, colorful lines, is a key level. You got New York AM highs, 9:30 open, midnight open. Any of these levels is a key level to me. If it hits one of these lines and rejects, I'm getting in, which is why I love this indicator. It's actually a really smooth indicator. It tells me all the key liquidity levels. I'm not just going to just take this, a random swing high like this. That just don't work for me. If it works for you, it works for you, but it don't work for me. So I like these key liquidity levels. I mean, as you can see, it's reacting to it, reacting to it, reacting to it, like reacting to it. You know what I mean? Reacting to 830. Like that's what I look for. If I'm gonna take a reversal or a with the trend trade, it needs to come back and hit one of these things in my direction. But the buy set up first. So like, all right, let's say this didn't happen, right? Let's say price. My bad. Hold on. Right. Let's say price came up, hit 830, and then give me a breaker structure and a fair value gap. I'm gonna get in for a sell because we just hit a key liquidity level. We couldn't break above 830, and we're with the trend. That's what I mean. But yeah, man, that's all we did today. I do nothing different. I'm gonna do the same thing tomorrow. I'm not gonna switch up. I'll do the same thing tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so I might not trade tomorrow because I have to go somewhere like in the morning. But we'll see. We'll see. But with that being said, that's all I got. See you guys tomorrow. Go view the YouTube short for my confirmation. I did take this straight live, and you saw the executions. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow.